proud to share Majesty and kids. We're enjoying nature right now. We're having the best time, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to try to find like a Holy Ghost revival service, but I don't know if that's even possible, and just go thank our Creator for everything. All right, you guys, check out this gorgeous lake. You want to walk down?
Can we?
Yeah, we can. I think it's open. All right, we're going to walk down. Do you guys want to come? Still recording, right? So freaking beautiful out here.